Hello and welcome to Signature TV News Highlight for this Friday. I am Damilola Abudu. The Anambra government has imposed a dusk to dawn curfew from Monday, February 8th to contain the spread of COVID-19 in the state. This is contained in a statement issued by the Secretary to the state government, Professor Solo Chukwulobelu, on Friday in Oka. Chukwulobelu said the curfew will be observed between 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. daily until further notice. According to him, the state COVID-19 task force, including the Ministry of Health and Ministry of Trade and Commerce, have been empowered to increase hospitals and market surveillance. Chukwulobelu added that the task force had been mandated to close any hospital, private and government-owned, and markets that do not comply with COVID-19 protocols in their operations. Some hoodlums suspected to be members of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra IPOB on Thursday attacked the police divisional headquarters in Isu, Onitsha local government area of Ebonyi State. The left wing of the station was burnt in the process. DSP Lovette Oda, spokesperson of Ebonyi Police Command, confirmed the development. In a press statement in Abakaliki, she said 4 patrol vehicles were also burnt, while 1 policeman sustained machete-cut injuries during the attack and is responding to treatment in the hospital. The Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Sadiya Umar Farouk, has sympathized with victims of fire disaster at the Tipa Garage Market, 3rd Avenue, Gwarimpa in Abuja. Farouk expressed compassion to the affected people in a statement by a special assistant on media, Nneka Anibeze, in Abuja. The fire razed the market in the early hours of Thursday in the Federal Capital Territory. Farouk described the fire outbreak as tragic, adding that she was deeply saddened by the incident. Earlier, the minister directed the National Emergency Management Agency to assess the level of damage caused by the fire for immediate provision of relief and intervention materials. The Nigerian community in Atlanta, United States, has expressed outrage over the gruesome killing of its member, Prince Dennis Oloniyo Abuda, by kidnappers in his home in Edo State. President of the Nigerians in Diaspora Organization, NIDO, Atlanta chapter, Dr. Victor Ubani, conveyed the community's reaction on Thursday. Speaking to newsmen in New York, Ubani condemned the killing of Abuda, a NIDO member, describing it as callous and inhumane. Based in Atlanta, Georgia, Abuda was reportedly abducted alongside 3 family members on the Bini bypass on Saturday. Reports say he was traveling from his hometown, Fuga, in Edo, to Lagos to catch his flight back to the US when the kidnappers struck. The eldest son of Afrobeat pioneer Fela Kuti, a Nigerian musician Femi Anikulakokuti, and his son Made Kuti have released their new joint project, Legacy Plus, under Partisan Records, home to Fela's catalogue. The project packages 2 albums together from the father and son, Stop the Hate by Femi and Forward by Made, the first double record ever with a parent and child of its kind. Both albums that make up Legacy Plus are steeped in the tradition of Afrobeat invented by Fela, but each also offers their own unique vision. Femi Stop the Hate honors Fela in a traditional fun, sharply political and affirming way. Meanwhile, Made's Forward is a modern and progressive freedom manifesto, pushing the boundaries of the subgenre even further. Made also performs every instrument on his album. That's the Signature TV News Highlight. For details, visit www.signaturetv.org. On behalf of my producer, Obomanu Marvelous, thanks for watching and do join us for Signature 30 Minutes later this evening. I am Damilola Abudu.